Number 4 is Anycubic Kobra Plus Large 3D Printer. Introducing the mechanical engineer's dream companion, the Anycubic Kobra Plus. This superb 3D printer is a game changer, ready to ignite your imagination and take your creations to new heights. Brace yourself for a thrilling journey into the world of precision engineering. With its cutting-edge Anycubic LeviQ auto-leveling system, leveling and printing become an effortless dance. A single touch unleashes a symphony of 25-point precise leveling, granting unparalleled control and a brilliant printing experience. Prepare to be amazed as your designs come to life with unparalleled accuracy. No more frustrating interruptions. The Kobra Plus boasts an ingenious filament runout detection and power-off resume feature. Say goodbye to wasted time and materials. If you encounter a filament shortage or unexpected power failure, fear not. This ingenious marvel pauses the process intelligently, only to gracefully resume where it left off. Think big, print bigger. With a build volume 2.5 times larger than its predecessors, the Kobra Plus generously offers a vast playground for your mechanical wonders. Its robust double-thread Z-axis moving construction guarantees stability, ensuring intricate details are flawlessly restored. And let's remember the need for speed. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.